Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making egg and spinach miso soup, a homemade style casual miso soup with simple ingredients. We are using baby spinach today to make it easy, but you can cut up any vegetable you have in the fridge too. If you are making dashi from scratch, you can watch our dashi video, or you can also use instant dashi powder or packets. First, we boil the dashi broth and reduce heat to low. Dissolve the miso paste in the dashi. Take care not to boil at this point. Beat a couple of eggs in a small bowl. Add the spinach to the soup. It takes no time to cook the baby spinach. Slowly pour the egg into the soup in a circular motion, starting from the center, like that. And cook covered for a minute. Remove the lid and stir gently. We are ready to serve. This may be the perfect breakfast soup on a busy morning or any time of the day. We hope you try this easy but delicious miso soup.